Cardiac cycle explained in 5 minutes. Opening. Your heart beats about 100,000 times every day. But do you know what happens inside your heart during just one heartbeat? From blood entering the heart to blood being pumped to your lungs and entire body, everything happens in a precise sequence called the cardiac cycle. Let's understand it step by step. What is the cardiac cycle? The cardiac cycle is the complete sequence of events that occurs in the heart during one heartbeat, at a heart rate of about 75 beats per minute. One cardiac cycle takes approximately 0.8 seconds. It includes the contraction and relaxation of the atria and ventricles. Step 1. Atrial systole. First comes atrial systole. The two atria contract and push blood into the ventricles. The tricuspid valve allows blood to move from the right atrium to the right ventricle. The mitral valve allows blood to move from the left atrium to the left ventricle. Atrial systole lasts about 0.1 seconds. Now the ventricles are filled and ready to contract. Step 2. Ventricular systole. Next comes ventricular systole. The ventricles contract strongly. As ventricular pressure increases, the tricuspid and mitral valves close. This produces the first heart sound. LUB. The AV valves closing prevents blood from flowing backward into the atria. For a very short time, all 4 valves are closed. This is called isovolumetric contraction. Then ventricular pressure becomes high enough to open the semilunar valves. Step 3. Blood ejection. Now the pulmonary and aortic valves open. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery toward the lungs. At the same time, the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood through the aorta to the entire body. This is called the ejection phase. A normal ventricle ejects roughly 70 milliliters of blood with each heartbeat. This is called the stroke volume. Step 4. Ventricular diastole. After pumping blood, the ventricles begin to relax. This is called ventricular diastole. As ventricular pressure falls, the pulmonary and aortic valves close. Their closure produces the second heart sound. DUB. So remember, AV valves close leads to LUB semilunar valves close leads to DUB. Step 5. Ventricular filling. After the ventricles relax, their pressure becomes lower than the pressure in the atria. The AV valves open. Blood now flows from the atria into the ventricles. Most of this filling happens passively. Finally, the atria contract again and push the remaining blood into the ventricles, and the cycle starts all over again. The whole cycle, in one sequence. Let's quickly put everything together. Atrial systole to ventricular systole to blood, ejection to ventricular relaxation, to ventricular filling to next heartbeat. At about 75 beats per minute, the complete cycle takes approximately 0.8 seconds. During this tiny fraction of a second, your heart receives blood, pumps it to the lungs, and sends oxygenated blood throughout your body. Easy memory trick. Here's a simple way to remember the valves. During ventricular filling, AV valves open, semilunar valves closed. During ventricular ejection, AV valves closed, semilunar valves open, and the heart sounds tell us what the valves are doing. LUB arrow, AV valves close, DUB arrow, semilunar valves close. Ending. So, the next time you hear your heartbeat, LUB-DUB, LUB-DUB, remember that each sound is part of an amazing cycle of contraction, relaxation, filling and pumping. Your heart performs this cycle continuously to keep every cell of your body supplied with blood. If you enjoyed this explanation, subscribe to Biology Unlocked with Ayaat for more fascinating biology and science videos. Understand biology. Unlock life.